I got this sample and I have to show you. It's a game changer for lighting candles. Regular lighters are such a hassle. Short reach, flames keep blowing out, and you're always running out of gas or butane. Meet the FUKKUDA Dual Arc Electric Candle Lighter. No gas, no butane, just a USB rechargeable battery. One press and the dual electrical arcs light your candles instantly. Deep jar candles, outdoor candles, anything. It's windproof, safe, and reusable. When the battery runs low, just plug it in and recharge it. It's safe and convenient, and every candle lover needs one of these.